Are you ready to step into the future of real estate sales? With Rendora's cutting-edge 3D avatars, we're about to take you on an immersive tour of this beautiful property, where you can explore every luxury detail as if you're right there. Let's go. Good morning, I'm Tyler. Welcome to a world of unparalleled luxury where the Pacific meets the pinnacle of modern living. Behold the crown jewel of Pacific Palisades, a masterpiece completed in 2024. This is not just a home, it's a testament to form and function, set on a rare half-acre lot with a canvas of endless ocean views. Step inside the expansive main level, where soaring 12-feet ceilings meet walls of steel-framed doors, bathing the space in radiant natural light. The brilliance of the artisan-crafted walnut staircase and custom built-ins comes to life. Discover the gourmet kitchen, appointed with a butler's pantry, perfect for hosting grand events or intimate gatherings in this inspiring environment. From the dining room to the multiple living areas, every corner is meticulously designed for both grandeur and intimacy. Ascend to the unmatched primary suite, a sanctuary of comfort with high vaulted ceilings and panoramic vistas that redefine the essence of luxury living. Venture to the lower level, where luxury takes a deeper dive. Experience the finest amenities, a bar, lounge, wine tasting room, home theater, and a full spa that includes a gym, massage room, sauna, and steam room. For the connoisseur of elite vehicles, the residence offers a 2-car and subterranean 6-car garage, secured behind automatic driveway gates. With features like an elevator, home automation system, private office, Wolf appliances, and a Unite pool and spa, this residence is equipped for the lifestyle of the discerning few. And for peace of mind, a state-of-the-art security system with cameras and a dedicated service entrance ensure your privacy and safety. Conveniently located between Riviera Country Club, Palisades Village, and Will Rogers State Beach, this residence offers easy access to the area's premier attractions. Stately yet inviting, this exceptional residence stands as a timeless triumph of refined living. It's not just an estate, it's a legacy waiting to be written on the West Side. Contact us today to schedule your private tour of this esteemed estate.
If you want to know more about how you can make videos easily, make sure to subscribe and check out other templates on our website. Visit Rendora and make your first 3D video for free. See you next time.